Hello guys, welcome to Kare, a non-profit organization where newcomers and professionals associate with each other and contribute to the community. Today we are going to solve the problem from Leetcode. So let's quickly read the problem. Given an array of integers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific number. Return the indices of the two numbers as an integer array of size 2. The tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. So we have been given this sorted array, okay, and we have to find such two numbers. When those two numbers are added, we should get the resultant target number, okay. So in the example 1, we have been given the array of elements consisting 2, 7, 11, 15, and our target is 9. So if you see 2 and 7 when added give us the target. So we have to simply return the indices of those two elements, and the indexing of the array starts from 1. So the index of 2 is 1, index of 7 is 2, index of 11 is 3, and the index of 15 is 4. In the example 2, also we have the array consisting 2, 3 and 4 elements. Target is 6, and when we add 2 and 4 we get the target, and we have to simply return the index of those two numbers, right? So before moving to the explanation part, make sure you like and subscribe the channel. So here's the sorted array consisting of elements 2, 5, 6, 9, 11 and 20, and our target is 15, right? So I'll be initializing two pointers. The first pointer will be at start and the second pointer will be at the end. Every time I will be triggering this condition that my start should always be less than end. So I'll be checking this condition after. So my element at the start plus the element present at the end pointer when added is greater than target. So if suppose 20 20 plus 2, yeah, it's 22, right? So if this number is greater than my target, so I'll decrement my end pointer by 1. So my end pointer will be now on position 5, right? So again I'll be checking for this condition, okay. So here 2 plus 11, this is 13. So now the number I got is less than the target number. So if that's the case, I'll increment my start pointer by 1. So my now start will be on the position 5, right? Again, I'll check for this condition and this condition as well, right? So till now my start is less than end, so there's no problem, correct? So again 5 plus 11, so this is 16, right? So this 16 is greater than our target value, right? So if that's the case, I'll again decrement my end pointer by 1. So my now uh, end pointer is on position 4 and my start pointer is on position 2. So again I'll now check for the condition. 9 plus 5, so this is 14, and this number is less than a target number. So again I'll trigger this, okay. I'll increment my start pointer by 1. Yeah, so now I guess we have found a result, right? So 9 plus 6 is 15, and if this satisfies, if our element at the start pointer and the element at the end pointer, if we add those and if we get the target value, we'll simply break the loop and store our result in two variables, and at the last we'll return our result, right? So let's clarify more this concept in the coding part. So here, let me first initialize a vector as a result. So now I'll be initializing two pointers. One will be at the start and other will be at the end of the array, right? So start will be 0 and end will be at correct. Also, I'll be initializing two extra variables for storing the result. Okay, so now I'll be using the logic. I'll be applying the logic while start is less than end. So if numbers dot numbers start plus numbers end is equal to target. Okay, so I'll store the result start plus 1 and plus 1, and I'll break the loop, right? Else if numbers start so if the sum is greater than target then I'll decrement the end pointer by 1, right? So end minus minus else start plus plus, and at the end I'll just store these variables in my vector. So right, and finally I'll return my vector. I hope this should work. Yeah, so this code is working. Yeah, so we have passed all the test cases. So if you understand this video, if you understood this concept, make sure you like and subscribe the channel, and show us some love. Thank you.